57 only. 57 minutes and 16 seconds. Hi, I am Mrs. Cornian Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Cornian Talanya Magnaye, Quezon the First. So what they're doing is they tends to get I could not do that. To video myself and then about feeling because what they're doing is black magic and then such as holding my life and yet they feels of what is my feeling and then they will use it again. They will use it to their own life. It should has karma. Karma is the key. Ay not one kabit. I will talk now on number wait lang. About Donald Trump. About Donald Trump is what will I say at this moment. So that is year 2017. Year 2017 there is month of September when I say such that September when I go at Mother Perpetual Health Church November, my thinking process is happy wanderer, and then about studying wedding. Wedding is on October 2017. I walk in there on the aisle and then I count it. And then the next is I count it 56 count or 57 count steps it is. Married is me to Alex ko. My year 2017 is when it comes onto baklaran is such this word. Buti pa sila pag-graduate na ako hindi pa na-graduate. That is my self. In English translation, buti pa sila na graduate na. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. They is already on graduate on college and yet myself is studying yet. Something such that. Hmm. At the moment I talk the kabit talaga, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri. From University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri tends to interfere. That person is interfere on this talking of myself year 2025. On my mind, she is being slapped of a specific person, girl gender. And then myself is watching it. Oh, Queen Elizabeth is on Yak Kadiri. She touched Kabit. Kadiri Kabit. What that is, but did I say that? What else could they say? I am now on Donald Trump. So that is year 20. When I say such that about Baclaran, that is my memory is being returned. My memory is being returned. It is not schizophrenia. My situation is there is person that uses black magic. I am goodness person living on earth. My description to myself is puti, white, color. That is why the person from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is getting of my personality and attitude. And then my personality and attitude tends to be such as on angry mode, which is they is putting angriness to my life. That is why I am talking because myself is being killed. They is putting illness on myself. Bakalov, Kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is Bobo camouflage and then putting traumatization on myself. That is that is how killer is that girl. Gendo. On Donald Trump, year 2017 it is. And then the next after year 2017 that I talked to Donald Trump is year 2021. Year 2021 it is. I am saying to Alex Jr. po if it is could be. Alex Jr. ko is brownish color. I not know the reason when it comes on to kayo manggi color. It suddenly I will talk about year 2019 later after I talk about it at this one. They is targeting my wedding. They is killing me. They is bad person. Those kabit. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. When it comes into year 2021 that I talked to about Donald Trump, I say to Alex and Jementisa Jr. ko if could be possible that that Donald Trump is my ninong on kasal, ninong on wedding of myself to Alex Jr. ko. So it is such as talking yet. And then what happened? Suddenly my mouth is on eager, another eager. My mouth is talking, saying ninong, ninong sa kasal, something such that. Suddenly, it turns onto such that. So it is such as my tongue is on fast mode as well as the right eye is on a situation of putting me on fast mode. Why? I not know. Fast mode. The description of fast mode is such as it is planning yet, idea yet, and then my mouth will talk about such as about it. For instance, the name Donald. The word Donald to be Ninong is planning yet, idea yet. And then during year, that is year 2021. Then during year 2021, the same year, it is being says of my mouth, Ninong Donald, something such that. When I am thinking a while ago to video myself with feeling, at this moment, 11 minutes and 26 seconds, the kabit is tends to copy me on the right eye. And then putting sadness on myself, hurting, and there's a black magic. Why? They getting of what is mine. Ganyan ba sila? Timig to. Pok eh. Lover Alex ko. They hurt my chest the moment. Why do I need to video myself with about feeling? Because my feeling is being get. And then on the beginning of my camera video, if the kabit is looking on my life and then uses black magic, it is such as getting my feeling. So when I will video myself and then about feeling, it is will be get on the use of black magic because they use black magic. I'll just everyone to do. They tends to copy of what I am doing to Alex Jr. ko on the future. You know what it is? Because of them being chismosa, they notice that they know that I am doing writing format to Alex Jr. ko. Ayan na, kanina, a while ago. And then the right eye is the kabit is getting of what is mine. Mm. Lover ko nga Alex ko, married kami. It is been shown on my right eye, Valerie. So, my talking about year 2021. Am I good here? if myself is talking, my talking year 2021, planning yet, idea yet, and then it is being says of my mouth. Specific is what I say. The next about it happening is on year 2023. The year 2023 of myself, they tends to hurt already myself on the use of Donald Trump. That is year 2023. While I talk, the bad person, Richel Angimentisa Sr. is talking on my life year. When it comes onto surname and then suffix name, that is my idea. What else could I say? On year 2023, when it comes onto Donald Trump, the person that uses black magic on my right eye is putting on angriness mode. I not know why. 2023 that is what it is about angry mode. Creation of situation so that it could not be happen. The being ninong of Donald Trump wedding, the wedding, so that it could not be happen the wedding. Why? Year 2023 that is what it is being said during year 2023. Mm, traumatization about it is such as year 2023. I need to say it because that is how myself is being killed. I not do wrong, I not do anything, I am just inside of the house and yet that is what they're doing on the use of black magic. The kabit number 2, now let's go. My eye has a blue glittery, I not know why. Donald Trump. Year 2023 there is. It is bad during that moment. Year 2023, when it comes on to Donald Trump, it is such as on the right eye is creating a situation on the use of black magic so that it could be ruin the moment on wedding and then it is about Donald Trump so that it could not be happen on my life existence. Such that. Weird. The kabit number two is listening. Not want that person. What else it is about? I not know what it means. Creation of situation. On the use of black magic. Black magic about? Next already is me. Nothing to say. Nothing to say. Research dot. Hmm. How to see? You want? Tintin. Never legs ko. 2023. Color black trees. Black. Black magic. Seriousness is what I say. It is a body movement that they tends to ruin. I am careful while I talk in here. I want to emphasize as much as possible because it is important. They is killing me. The kabit, the Bobo Philippine camouflage criminal killer is talking on my right ear. Hindi 23. My eye is awake, such as, oh, ganyan na. Such as this eye. Something such that, my eye. Yun na. Wa- I could, I could cite it 360. Oh, and then, nothing more to say. Year 2023. Such that is what happened in year 2023. Next na ako. Next na ako. Rodrigo Duterte. So that myself be understood. Nothing to say. Nauntim. Pupunta, I will go at Quiapo Church. About Pangilin. I could not go at this moment because myself is being put on a situation of no money. They is killing me. I not want them. Bad person they is. My God. Yuck na. Alex ko. That is my first count when I will go at Quiapo Church and then Pangilin. Himik daw. Family church. That is what about to do of Maria Clara on El Filibusterismo or No Limitang Here, but it does not happen because Capitan Tiago is put Maria Clara inside of the convento church. Convento is such as a location over in just indoor. First time to do this on my food. Such as Reddit. Ay, Alexa. Iyo, tingnan, Alexa. What is the next? Nothing more. Okay. Voice. There is on voice. When it comes on to voice, year 2023, that is. There is a person that tends to copy, such as putting me on lures on this 7-year black magic. And then, during that moment, Baccarat Precious Crucendico, year 2023. And then the first voice says, when you are ready, sabi niya. When you is ready, sabi niya. And then the next is, readiness. What particular? I am waiting. And then I need to say about 7-year black magic. The next is, on my mind, on the right eye, it is an overpass. There's none in here, left eye. My my eyesight is such as this one. Such as that one. Ganon. And then I feel shy. What else could I say? Baccarat, Precious Person. Married ka na, let's go. What else? What I am saying is the doing of the right eye and then the voice. The during year 2023 of what is my situation. When you are ready is I hear on my right ear. And then on my panaginip, it is on the left ear. Then panaginip, left ear, left eye or right eye? My dream. Right eye Therese. Panaginip dream during year 2023. Myself is being put on sleep for 5 seconds. 5 second there is 5 second to 10 second, and then the voice is when you is ready, when you are ready, English word. And then the other is Tagalog. The Tagalog says please, ganun. Oh? Ano sabi niya? Not similar voice. They is alike voice. The second voice that does not know when you is ready. Being says of the first voice. The second person says please. Sabi niya. There is three count. What am I saying is please. The feeling is putting me on deadness, killing me. Ay, let's go. And then the third voice is, huwag mo silang pansinin, daldal ka, sabi niya. The third person. Nasan ka na nga uli? Sabi niya. Nasan ka na nga uli? Ano. In English translation, do not notice them, just talk, sabi niya. That is what the third person says. The second person wants myself to be killed, to be dead. Lover, let's go. Punta na, let's go. What else? Oh, the third person happy. Enjoyment about. Oh, energetic is me. That second voice, Precious Crucendico is looking. Why? I not know. Year 2023 during that moment. That is what I could say. Next na ako. After the race, year 2023, what happened? Myself, year 2024, is being put on scaredness already. Scaredness, they is putting me on scaredness situation. Scaredness is such as, hala, wag ganito mangyayari sa'yo, hala, something such that. In English translation, hala. Ano, English translation of hala? Hala, letter H, letter A, letter L, letter A. Expression there is, expression. What it is? Such as this one. the meaning of Tagalog word in English translation. If you not, if you not, no, no, in your situation, this will be happen, something such that. Not in your life, this is will be happen. Negativity, scareness it is. With 2024, putting scareness on myself. They not the word putting. They is scare putting there is. There is scareness. Putting myself in scareness. Who they is those person the right eye, right ear that talks year 2024. And then on the wedding, what is the scareness is such as on the use of black magic. The scareness is the person says, uh, hindi, hindi yan mangyayari. That is not hindi yan mangyayari. Kahit sa'yo yan, hindi yan mangyayari. Something such that. In English translation, that is not will happen if it is, even though it is your life existence, that is not will happen. Something such that. What it is about that is wedding. Descriptive is me. I am describing it. Wait. Year 2024 is myself at wait. I'm not crazy. Year 2023 there is. Year 2024. Tinataranta. You putting myself on panic. Scareness there is as well. Scareness. Scareness panic. Such that. The right side says equivalent is hyper high blood daw, hypertension. Weird. Hitness the moment, my neck. I will work. I will do whatever I want to do. What else? I want to emphasize it. I am thinking at the moment if it is year 2023 or year 2024. I'm not thinking of the thought of right ear, right eye about videoing myself on that year 2024. 2024 talaga. Wait, putting me on scaredness and then panic. The person on the right eye is putting scareness on myself and then panic. What is being shown my right eye is eroticness of them, getting my feeling. The bobo camouflage talking on my right ear. I have no asthma. They is putting asthma on baby. I am healthy. Ubo is myself. Nawasa and then mineral. I have the rights to say of my situation. My father vibes does not want me of such as I don't know. The bobo camouflage, they not want me to talk. They is killer, but person. I need to say about it because myself is being killed. Hitness, my neck. Letter H, letter E, letter A, letter T, letter N, letter E, letter S, letter S. And then, parang, such this, another talking year 2024. Hala, Kuni, paano na yan? Paano nakasal mo? Oh, such that. Saan ka? Saan ka? Saan ka doon? Parang, saan ka hihingi ng tulong? Saan ka tutungong tao para sa salitang tulong? Ganun. That is so pain. Girl, gender that is on the right eye. Right ear. Diyos ko. I not want in here. I want at America. In English translation, uh, what will happen? What will happen? How is it, Kuni? Where will you tell a help? Something such that. That is the reason. This is that talking on my right eye, right ear. That is the reason why I speak English because English dialecto. because here Philippine they is such as killer, criminal. I feel traumatized. That is the translation about it. I want a specific translation. No, ano, tutulong. Something such that is the English translation. Hala ko ni, ano, paano na yan? Saan ka hingi ng tulong? Saan ka dudulog? Something such that. In English translation, oh, how is it, Connie? Where will you tell a help on other person? Such that. Hmm? What it is about? Putting myself is scaredness on the use of black magic. It is such as they use black magic, girl gender they is. And then myself has no knowledge on black magic. Just paint lahat, paint, paint, just paint. And then, hmm, specific is myself, literal. Except the English translation, it is hard to translate it because of the word hala ko ni paano na yan, something such that. But that is the essence of the translation of it. Now, the feeling when it comes onto being says of that of the right eye, year 2024 that is. I say, uh, Alex Jr. po, myself and Alex Jr. po will get married. And then the right eye is saying such that. Saan ka dudulog? Where will you seek help? Something such that. They use Tagalog word. I just translate it in English. Chest pain. Traumatization it is. What it is about, the effect of it. The effect, it is panic, traumatization, putting panic, and then where to go at even though has no to go at, something such that because they use black magic. And then nervous, scaredness, such that. Girl gender day is here Philippine. Who I think of during that moment, wait, chest pain. Year 2024 that is. Huh? Truthfulness is I say. 49 minute and 52 second, 57 minute and 16 second my camera video will end. Who it is? When it is being says it is on the right eye and then it is girl gender. Kabit. Kabit. The person that does not want to happen the wedding tends to ruin the wedding. Girl gender. And then she is snatcher getting of that wedding from me. And then what else it is? She wants to get the self-centered that person. She is getting the moment, which is that is my moment of myself is about the wedding, and then she tends to get it on the use of black magic. And then she wants to kills me. I will just eat at the moment. When I eat such this, I am eating. I am eating. I will eat because I feel starved. What else it is? Eager, that girl gender. On the right eye, eager to ruin my wedding to Alex Angementisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First. Reason? Because of her attitude is high level, personality, I not know. Akin Alex ko. Hmm, never ko Alex ko. And then, what else it is? Chest pain in here. Chest pain. They is putting asthma to my baby girl if myself will get pregnant. That is their plan on the right eye, the girl gender kabit. And that is their doing, but person they is. That is what their plan as well. Asthma on the nose. Girl gender they is. The age is such as 20s as well, such myself. Bakarov Kabit is putting it on Atibadat. I not know the reason. Tahimik to, lover likes to. Such as the Kabit. Bakarov Kabit is putting the blame to Atibadat. Atibadat on Creekland. I am thinking if year 2023 or year 2024. I think year 2023, not year 2024. Reason? Because year 2024 is such as Netflix person. So that is, the right ayo is energetic, such as nabubuhayan. No. So that is year 2023, not year 2024.